Want to learn how to create ad creatives for Google Performance Max campaigns quickly and easily using AdCreative AI? In this video, I'll walk you through how to leverage AdCreative AI to craft high-quality, performance-optimized ads without spending hours tweaking every detail. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how this tool works and how it can save you time while boosting your ad performance on Google Performance Max. And before we dive in, don't forget, you can try AdCreative AI completely free using the first link in the description below, along with some exclusive bonuses, so stick around until the end. Google Performance Max is all about creating ad creatives that resonate with your audience across different platforms, and AdCreative AI is the perfect tool to make this process smoother and more efficient. With this AI-powered platform, you can generate multiple variations of creatives in just a few minutes. It's ideal for digital marketers and businesses looking to automate their ad creation without compromising quality. When you first log in to AdCreative AI, the platform offers a simple interface where you can select the type of campaign you're running, like Google Performance Max. Once you've chosen your campaign type, you simply input your business information, including your target audience and product details. The tool will then generate a series of ad creatives tailored to your campaign goals. One of the best features of AdCreative AI is its ability to optimize your creatives based on real-time data and user behavior insights. It doesn't just generate ads randomly, it uses machine learning to design ads that are statistically more likely to convert. This means you're not just creating pretty ads, you're creating ads that work. Another key advantage is how quickly the software can scale. Once you've generated your initial creatives, you can refine and test different variations to see what resonates best with your audience. Google Performance Max campaigns require multiple asset types like display ads, video ads, and text. And AdCreative AI can generate all of these formats with ease, saving you a ton of time in the process. What makes this platform especially useful for Performance Max campaigns is its ability to automatically adjust your ads based on performance. With just a few clicks, you can refresh creatives, test new formats, and continuously improve your results. This allows you to focus on strategy, while AdCreative AI handles the repetitive tasks that can eat up your time. The platform also allows you to see a performance score for each ad creative, so you can evaluate the potential of each before launching your campaign. This takes the guesswork out of ad creation and ensures that you're putting your budget behind the most effective ads. At the end of the day, AdCreative AI simplifies the process of creating high-quality, high-performing ads for Google Performance Max, which is something every digital marketer can appreciate. Whether you're a small business or managing multiple accounts, AdCreative AI helps you generate creative assets that are not only visually appealing, but also optimized for maximum impact. And here's the best part. You don't have to pay a penny to try out AdCreative AI. If you sign up using the first link in the description, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial with bonus features to get started. So why wait? Dive in and start generating high-performing ads today. Remember, with AdCreative AI, you're not just creating ads, you're creating better, more efficient campaigns that drive results. Check out the link below to get started, and happy marketing.